Welcome to the Purdue student chapter of the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics. AIAA was established in 1963 to advance the state of aerospace science, engineering, technology, operations, and policy. With over 30,000 members in 91 countries, AIAA is the world's leading professional aerospace organization. Purdue AIAA is a student branch in the Indiana section, Region 3 of National AIAA. Here at Purdue, we strive to learn about technology, serve our community, network with industry, and grow as professionals. We boast 6 design teams, 173 active members, and over 500 alumni. All members are invited to attend our esteemed guest speaker meetings and to participate in our award-winning design teams. These design teams include vertical flight systems, design build fly, design build launch, high altitude balloon, light attack aircraft, and Mars sample return. Our planned events include a variety of social and outreach functions and travel to regional and national conferences. Also, in the past year alone, we have hosted representatives from 10 major aerospace and defense companies, as well as 3 astronauts, 3 chief engineers, 1 general, and 2 professors. Purdue AIAA welcomes you to jumpstart your career in aerospace by joining our organization. Annual dues provide for access to our events and projects, a free shirt and mask, travel grants, and pizza. Please check our website for further information on our club call-out. Thank you for your interest in Purdue AIAA.